Hi friends, are you so excited for our field trip this week? We are going to 5 different national parks around the United States. When you click the link on the schedule, it's going to bring you to the Google Classroom. You're going to click to open the slide. Originally, I was going to show you that putting it in present mode, which is over here, is easier for the links to work, but it's harder to navigate through. So your first slide is an introduction, and you click on this and it is a video. When you click on it, if you don't have it in present mode, there is a little white box that pops up underneath it, and then you need to click on that. Okay, I'm not going to listen to it right now on our video, but I do want you to listen to the introduction. The map is the important part. So there's 5 different national parks, and we didn't start this yesterday because I wanted you guys to do your, you had a project yesterday. So for me, it doesn't matter what order you go to the parks in. You can go to Alaska first. You can go to Florida first. It doesn't matter which park you go to. And that's why I took it out of present mode. Because if you don't go to Alaska first, in present mode, it's very hard to find the right thing. So if you want to go to Mexico, you can again click Mexico, and then it goes to the video, but then you have to scroll through here to find Mexico. So here's Mexico. So click the video, and then this is a different video. So watch this video. But then after you're done exploring, I want you to write 3 things you learned. So you just got to click the blue box and then start typing. 2 things you found interesting in the clouds. And 1 question that you still have about the caverns when you go to Mexico. This page is going to be for all of the national forest. So there's 2 videos for you to watch for each national park that you go to. There's one on the map, but then there's also one on the slide for that national park. So make sure that you visit both of those links before you do this page. Okay? And then on the schedule, the same assignment is linked every day. So what you do today, if I did it correctly, will still show up tomorrow, and then you'll just keep working on the same assignment. So do not hit turn in. So when we're here and you probably have a blue turn in button, don't turn it in until you're done with it. So that way you can keep adding to it. Okay? If you do have any questions, please let me know. And most of all, have fun and happy exploring.